In the previous video, we looked at what heat transfer was. Now let's take a look at the three different methods of heat transfer. First, we have convection. Convection is the heat transfer by the movement of warm molecules from one region of a gas or a liquid to another. An example of convection heat transfer is with a radiator. Like I mentioned before, the warm air comes out from the radiator, rises, mixes with the surrounding air, cools, and the colder air sinks towards the intake on the bottom of the radiator. Another example of convection heat transfer is a fireplace. The hot air from the fireplace rises and is transferred to the cooler areas of the room. Eventually, this warmer air is cooled by the colder room, and the air sinks back toward the floor in the fireplace or gravity furnace. The next method of heat transfer is radiation. Radiation is the heat transfer through energy being transmitted in the form of rays, waves, or particles. Some examples of radiation heat transfer are in solar panels. The sun provides the radiation to the solar panels for electricity. Another example of radiation heat transfer is a microwave. The microwave radiation causes the molecules in your food to become excited and vibrate faster, and the faster vibrations cause a warmer temperature. Last, in the winter in the northern hemisphere, the sun's path is lower in the sky, so the sun does not provide as direct of solar radiation as in the summer when the sun is higher in the sky, providing more direct solar radiation. The last type of heat transfer we will discuss is conduction. Conduction is the heat transfer from a warmer to a cooler part of a substance as a result of direct molecular collisions. Conduction is the usual method of heat transfer in solids. The ability of a material to transfer heat by conduction is called thermal conductivity. An example of conduction is the pan on the stove. The pan on the stove is heated via conduction from the heat of the burner to the pan. Then, the pan can heat up the water inside. The water directly touching the pan is heated via conduction, but the rest of the water is heated via convection. A poor conductor of heat is also called an insulator. In the next video, we will take a look at the rate of heat transfer and how to calculate heat transfer.